back with another video, man. It's your boy KJ in this building, man. What do I gotta say for y'all today? I'm on the road to 50 subscribers, man. If y'all, you gotta go hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all boys hit that bell though. Hit that bell. That's most important. What else? Last video, I did a recent pickup on a Dior B22. So like, I told y'all I got more videos to drop. So like, it's only right if I go ahead and do this video on these shoes right here. So first is first. We're just gonna set the shoes to the side. All right, so we got the Maison Mihara, Yashuri. I don't know how to say the word, but y'all see it, man. Maison Mihara. My little details on the box. All right, so the details on the box, like, I mess with how they got the how I say Maison Mihara, and then they got like the little Chinese letters down here. I mess with that, but like they got it right here too. On this shoe right here though, like this box, I mean, I mess with it, but like on this shoe though, I feel like some of the shoes run a size too big. So like I wear a size 43 and size 43. I think it's like UK or something. I wear a size 43, which is a size 10 in men's, but this is a size 42, and the shoe still it's like a little big on me, but like it should be alright. But we got the picture of the shoe right here. So ain't nothing too much about this. Like it just came with the paper. Face ass. It just came with the paper, and then ain't nothing too much in the box for real. No, I had more details on the Dior box than I had on this shoe. All right, time for the shoe. So we got Maison Mihara's. All right, we got, so like with the Maison Mihara's, bro, I would say like the stitching on the shoe, like you can see the stitching right here with the lines. Like stitching on the shoe, to me, I guess it's good, but like this right here, I think this like a foam part, like this big little part right here at the front. I think that's a foam part or something. Like I don't know what it is, but I think it's a foam part. But I got the Maison Mihara's. We got the said it. Oh shoot! I was about to say. All right, it said in the inside right here. So therefore, like with the shoe though, like the laces, you see the laces. Oh, they got it right here too. With the shoe though, I mess with the shoe like y'all see how the bottom is. I mess with the shoe, but like the shoe is like, to me, the shoe looked like a skate shoe. Like it looked like a shoe that a skater would wear. But like, I mean, you could wear this with some joggers, jeans. You could really wear this with anything for real, because it's a black and white shoe. It's like a normal black and white shoe, which you know, just normal. But it got like with the damn, I just stuttered. All right. See, I don't know what these right here is for. The two holes right here. I don't know what this is for, but like, I mean, it give a good little what's the name to the shoe. I like how they got the lines on here and all of this. On the back, it got it too. Let me give y'all a 360 of the shoe. But basically, yeah, thumbnail good. All right, but basically, like, this is the shoe side by side. This what I'm gonna tell y'all though. With the bottom of the shoe, I don't know what they try to do. But the bottom of the shoe look like a van. But if you look closely, you see how it's lumped out. I don't know what they try to do with that, but like, I mean, I don't know what they try to do with it. But I guess I think they tried to get somewhere with it. But like, the thing about, damn, I don't know what this is either. I mean, I know it's the toe, but like, I don't know what it's made out of. It's hard. I do got the what's the name in here though. What's the name? Let me check it out. Still sound the same. I mean, I really don't know what they try to do with this shoe, but I mean, I guess they tried to do. I guess they did something with it because they got people buying the shoes. I mean, the shoe going for like $400 right now. Well, it depends on which one you get. Like this one, I checked on StockX, and I think it's going for. I think it's in like 4 something. I don't know how much it's going. It might be going for like 4 something though. I don't know. I might be going for like 4 something. If you look it up, you can find the shoe that I got. But it's definitely going insane on the market right now. I see everybody copping it. Something brand new, something new. I mean, I like the shoe because like, I like the shoe because me, I wore the shoe once already, but I could throw this shoe on with anything. Like, what did I wear this with? I wore this with my some black Nike Tech pants and a black and white hoodie. Cause I mean, like, the shoe is black, so you feel me? So I mean, it was a good combination on what I wore it with, but like, it was a good combination on what I wore the shoe with. But I think this Friday, cause today is Thursday, today and not Thursday, I dropped the video 2 days ago. Tomorrow, I might wear these shoes to the game. Because, I mean, like, I ain't see nobody in person with them on where I'm at. But if I wear these shoes to the game, I'm gonna post some pictures on Instagram for y'all. I'm gonna drop my Instagram in this video. My Instagram in the description too, but like, I'm gonna drop more videos, more bangers. My next video, got a little recent pickup for y'all. Recent pickup. But other than that, about this shoe, I don't got nothing else to say about it. Let me see. Really think the back is hard. That's hard. I don't know what's to the back. I say, when you put these shoes on, do not wear these shoes for over 3 hours. Your feet, the back of your foot gonna be hurting. But other than that, the shoe, to me, is a good shoe. I'm happy I purchased it. Happy I purchased this shoe. Thank y'all for... Am I tweaking? Oh, I thought I was tweaking. But I thank y'all for watching this YouTube video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. More bangers on the way. We go. I got some rats and I want some. Still got no pass in the hood, call it give and go. Hit with nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. Make little bro hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Used to follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. I fuck with slides and no gun or bust. You can't put on that drippy.